Hey guys, Dr. Stoker here in Los Angeles with a great looking 5-week post-op result on a mom. We did a big time tummy tuck on her as well as a pubic lift. A pubic lift is when the mons pubis area gets saggy and this skin in the inner thighs also gets loose and into the labia majora also fairly loose. It's really common in moms, and it's very common also as menopause approaches on patients who have had multiple babies. One of the cool things about doing a pubic lift here is that it helps to reduce urinary stress incontinence. After vaginal deliveries of babies, it's very common for women when they laugh or sneeze to have urinary leakage. It's embarrassing, annoying, they don't like it. There are certain urologic procedures that you can do for that, and sometimes that is necessary. But one of the things that we've learned over the years is that by lifting this pubic area up as part of a tummy tuck, it kind of restructures the urethral sphincters, tightens up the musculature of that whole region, and a significant percentage of those women, approximately 40%, who have urinary stress incontinence, have a resolution of those symptoms afterwards, which is a really big positive side effect of the procedure. The main reason she did this, though, is to look great. And we removed approximately 2 feet of vertical height of skin, so a very large amount if you stretch it out, by about 2.5 to 3 feet in width. I went as far as I could without flipping her over. When I do the pubic lift, it doesn't result in any extra scars, but everything that's on the inside where I dissect down lower so that I can free it up and lift it up. We tighten her muscles. That looks great. The belly button looks great. The incision is fading really nicely. If you look at her from the side here, you see how flat and amazing her abdomen is. I'll show you the post-ops in a second. And then we did liposuction of her waist here also, which really made a big difference in her curves overall to enhance. So it wasn't just the front of her, but 360 degrees. And it was certainly a huge improvement for her. I know that all of her friends are commenting on how great she looks, even those who don't know that she did plastic surgery. It's made a big difference for her, and I'm very excited.